So you can see this LED is blinking. At the same time the motor is rotating. If I want to use this sensor, I can use the sensor here. So you can see now. It is rotating 360 degrees. Today we shall learn how to connect step motor, and this is our relay board, and this is also known as relay driver. So then we will take Arduino board, then sensor, then this RGB LED we will connect. So then we will learn how to connect all the things. So now you can watch and you can try at your home. So this motor, this device is used to make different projects like robotic, different school level projects. So the students, they can use this equipment and they can understand how to use. So in this relay board you will find total 7 pins, but I am using here 4 pins. So it's starting from N1, next I will take N2, next I will take N3, next I will take N4. Then here we have power pins. So these power pins we can use from 5 volt to 12 volt. So the first one is our ground. I'm using white color for ground, 1 for 5 volt. And here there is a slot. In this slot we'll connect this circuit of the motor. This is our step motor, and the same thing I have written here, the code and the connection of Arduino board. You can see this is our digital pins, this is our power pins, and this is our analog pins. So this you will connect this N1 to pin number 8. I have written, so this I have written here N1, this driver N1 pin you will connect to digital pin 8, N2 to pin 9 and 10 and so on. I connected all the pins, pin 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have connected the pins here, and I have already one for ground. So we have one ground here, and you will find same ground here too. Anywhere you can connect. Then this one I will connect to 5 volt. Now this connection ready. RGB, you can see here we have this negative point is there. This is for ground. So we have one ground here. So this RGB, so the red pin I will connect to 5, green 6 and blue 7. Finally, our all the connections completed. This is driver board, step motor, RGB LED off. Now I will connect this one to my laptop for the code. I have already written all the code here. You can copy from my GitHub. So then you can copy all the code from here. Then you can go to Arduino. Once you are coming here, you will select the board here. Then now let us run. You can see. So you can see this LED is blinking. At the same time the motor is rotating. If I want to use this sensor, I can use the sensor here. So you can see now. It is rotating 360 degrees. Now I will connect the sensor, and again I will write the code for sensor to scan the distance.